Deep in Italy, Ferrari begins the journey of creating some of the world's most legendary supercars. Inside this factory, advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship work together to build automotive masterpieces. Every Ferrari begins with carefully selected materials, engineered for strength, speed, and performance. Precision machines shape lightweight aluminum into the iconic curves Ferrari is known for. The foundation of every Ferrari is built with extreme accuracy and racing-inspired engineering. Robotic systems create a powerful structure, where every connection must meet Ferrari standards. The handcrafted body is carefully joined with the chassis, creating the beginning of a supercar. Behind every Ferrari is a powerful engine, built with precision and passion. Technicians assemble each engine component with incredible attention to detail. The heart of the Ferrari is carefully placed into its new home. Advanced paint systems create the flawless finish that defines Ferrari. Before the famous Ferrari Ray Red appears, every surface is perfectly prepared. The iconic color shines as the supercar begins to reveal its final identity. Inside the cabin, luxury materials are transformed by skilled Italian craftsmen. Every detail inside the cockpit is designed around performance and elegance. The famous steering wheel connects the driver directly to Ferrari's racing DNA. High-performance wheels and brakes prepare the Ferrari. They prepare it for incredible speed. Thousands of carefully assembled parts now come together as one machine. Before leaving the factory, every Ferrari passes detailed quality inspections. Advanced computers test the vehicle's systems to ensure perfect performance. The moment arrives when the Ferrari engine roars to life for the first time. Every Ferrari is tested to prove its power, control, and precision. Final polishing reveals every curve of this Italian automotive masterpiece. The finished Ferrari is prepared for its journey to a new owner. From raw materials to a dream machine, this is how Ferrari creates legends.